Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Workshop for All. I hope you all are enjoying this program, that is my classes come other videos which I am uploading on YouTube. Continuing my previous chapter, in my previous chapter I dealt with uses of certain words with particular preposition. In this chapter, I am going to deal with phrasal preposition. Phrasal preposition, what does it mean? It means phrasal preposition or prepositional phrase, both are same. It means it is a group of words which is used with a force of preposition. That means it starts with a preposition and ends in a preposition. For example, at home in, at preposition, another preposition is in. At sea in. Similarly, in search of, instead of. All these things, all these prepositions I am going to deal with their meanings and examples. For example, preposition like at home in, that means well familiar with. At home in means well familiar with. And suppose I form a sentence, that means I'm at home in English. He is not at home in maths. At sea in means not knowing much. She is at sea in English. That means she doesn't know English much. Similarly, at the risk of, that is taking danger. I saved a drowning child at the risk of my life. By dint of means on the basis of. He succeeded by dint of his hard work. He succeeded by dint of his hard work. By means of, that means using as a means. For example, I crossed the river by means of a boat. By the virtue of means make the use of. By virtue of my position, I ordered him to go away. In favor of. In favor of means siding with. Siding with. For example, I am not in favor of such changes. In front of means before. I am standing. This wall is in front of you. I am not in favor, the table is lying in front of the chair. On behalf of means for. On behalf of the school, I thank you all. In addition to, that means besides. In addition to clothes, he was given much money. Instead of, that means in place of. Instead of wasting your time, you should work hard for the examination. In search of, that means searching for. The tiger is prowling about in search of prey, P-R-E-Y. The tiger is prowling about in search of prey. In order to. In order to means to. For example, you must work hard in order to gain success. Then comes in regard to. In regard to means in respect of. For example, I do not know anything in regard to his departure. I do not know anything of him in regard to his departure. In the guise of, that means disguised with. Next is in the guise of, that means disguised as. For example, the robber was in the guise of a policeman. Next is in case of, that is in the event of. For example, in case of any danger, call me immediately. For the sake of, that means for. Next is for want of, for the lack of. And next is in accordance with, that means according to. In accordance means according to. And example is, I have done this job in accordance with your instruction. I have done this job in accordance with your instruction. In the course of, next is in the course of, that means during. For example, in the course of his long journey, the seller met with his. In the course of his long journey, the seller met with many dangers. On account of, next is on account of, that is because of. He is hated by everyone on account of his bad temper. On the point of, just near. On the point of means just near. For example, the old farmer was on the point of death. The old farmer was on the point of death. Next is in lieu of, that means in place of. He was given a new motorcycle in lieu of his claim. With an eye to. Next is with an eye to. That is aiming at. For example, I have dismissed him with an eye to appointing you. With a view to, that is with the aim of. We have started a school with a view to coaching the adults. And next is at the top of, at the top of, at the highest degree. It means, for example, he shouted at the top of his voice. He shouted at the top of his voice. Next is by the way of. By the way of means in the manner of. By the way of means in the manner of. For example, I have said so by the way of a joke only. I have said so by the way of a joke only. And next is in the hope of, that is hoping that. For example, she is working hard in the hope of winning a prize. Next is in spite of. In spite of means notwithstanding. And to be on means going on. To be up for means that is getting ready. To be ill of means in poverty. She was to be ill of. That means she was in poverty. And the last one is to be well off means to be rich. That man is to be well off. That means he is very rich. Thank you very much. If you like it, And if you found it useful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.